Hey guys, Mark again, and we're going to be talking about this week's results on the NADEX premium system. Before we get started, I just want to throw a quick disclaimer. Past results do not indicate future results, and trading is risky. You could lose all your capital, so please make sure you do your own research, and let's get into it. So, the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to go all the way back to Monday because I want to start from Monday so I can show you guys what happened throughout the week. Most of you who do not know how this system works, this is on a 5-minute chart, by the way, and you'll see these gray areas. This is when markets are closed. So this is 9:30 a.m. Okay, New York time, so that's Eastern Standard, and then this is 4 p.m. So this is the market open, and this is the market close. Each one of these represents 5 minutes, like I said. And if you don't know about the system, watch the last two videos. I won't really go into how you take the trades. However, I will just quickly explain that once it's in the buy zone, this is a buy zone, this is a sell zone. Okay, green, buy, red. So if it opens in the green zone, you're looking to buy for the day. You want the strike below the previous low when the strike hits an entry zone. So the entry for a buy would be when the candle breaks the green line. Okay, the entry for the sell would be when the candle, if it started in the red zone like up here and then it came down and hit the red line. Okay, so once it closes above the green line or starts trading away like here, you would take a buy, and the strike price that you choose on NADEX is below the market low since the open. So it would be like underneath this line right here, this horizontal line. Quickly, just remember NADEX and think. I'm using Thinkorswim, by the way, guys. So this is a Thinkorswim chart. I'm using SPX on Thinkorswim, TD Ameritrade. If you don't know what that is, it's just another trading institute, and they have their own platform to chart, and that's what I'm using. So the prices here, the charts will look the same. However, the prices might be slightly different. Okay, so right here you see 3788. On NADEX that might be different. So what you need to do is when you get an entry trade right here, okay, when candle closed above here, the green line, what you want to do is go on NADEX and look at the first strike below the market low. As you could see right here, this was the market low candle. So you want the first strike around here, and you don't want to pay more than $68 for it. Okay, the reason for that is because you want to keep a good risk reward. So you want to buy it for at least less than $65 or $68. That way you're making $32 to $35 per trade. That's the best risk reward I've found, and it has a really high win rate. So right here, as you could see, markets came up. You entered the trade right here for 65. It probably didn't fill. Now if it doesn't fill, you could set a working order to buy it for $68. So that way if it comes down like right here, your order would have got filled. And look what happened this last Monday. Price never came below here and you won. Okay, and sometimes price will trade against you. I'll show you guys something in a little bit. Okay, Tuesday came. Now Tuesday, as you could see, it started in the sell zone. So what do you want to do? It started also below this red line right here. So what you could do is you could wait for price to break the red line and then come down below it like right here, and then get the strike above the highest, okay, which would be this candle right here. So you would go on NADEX, okay, you're not looking at the prices on Thinkorswim. You go on NADEX and then look for the strike above the candle that was the highest. So on NADEX the candles will look the same. Again, I'm on a 5-minute chart, so this right here would look the same. So you would look for a strike above here. So maybe if it's right here or right here, you take it. If it didn't fill for $65 immediately, then what you want to do is you just want to set a working order for 65 or 68, and I'm pretty sure this candle here would have filled it. So you got in the trade, and look what happened. Price never came above here, so you won that trade easily. And also, what I taught you guys, I'm not going to go too much into it, but I've taught you guys that when price comes back in the red zone and then breaks the red line again, you could take another contract. So this day here, you would have had 2 wins. So I didn't really check this day here. So let's see, 1 win, 2 wins. So you had 2 wins on Monday technically. Or you could have had even 3 wins right here, but once it gets too late, I probably would skip it. So you had 2 nice wins. Here you had 1, 2. If you got in right here above this strike right here, this would have been 3 winners. 4 winners because the entry is still up here. 5 winners because your entry is over here. Okay, so I mean, let's just say you took 2 trades each day. You have 4 and 0. Let's see, this here you started in the sell zone. This was the day I told you. The last video I made was based on Wednesday because I made it Wednesday, I believe. But look what happened on Wednesday. Price traded against us actually. Okay, it gave us an entry once. Okay, right here, and then right here. But this was invalid because it's already too late. But it gave us a trade right here, and then price went up, went up, went up, went up. But apparently, you know, it only went out the money once, and this was up here. So price, because our strike, when we entered this trade for 65, our strike price was all the way up here. You see how far that is? So price has to go all the way up here where the mouse is right now, and then close over this to lose. Okay, so as you can tell, it didn't, and we won this trade. And I showed you guys this trade live, so you could actually go check that last video I made, and you'll be able to see me in this trade talking about it. So I mean, so you have 2 wins on Monday, Tuesday. You have 1 win on Wednesday. So that's what, 3 plus 2, 5 and 0. Here, look what happens here. Here you start right here, and then look what happens. Price comes right here. You entered right here, and then that's 1 win. Okay, so then you don't have 2 wins. You could get 2 wins right here. So when price came back up, hit this level, you have 2 wins. So that's 7 wins you could have got so far. And then today, last day, started here. So you're looking to buy, and where are you buying? Above the green line. So right here, when price broke it right here, you entered the trade, okay, with the strike price down here. I think the strike at today was like 3746. So this was your strike, and as you could tell, this trade would have been nice entry. But remember, you got to go on NADEX, okay? So when you have an entry right here, look for this. Look at your 5-minute charts on NADEX and look for a strike price above and below the low, okay? So I mean, that could have been, you know, what, 8 trades this week? 8 and 0 this week? So I mean, you got to pay attention to the system. It's really easy to use. There's no like complications. You simply, if you're in a buy zone, which is the green area at market open, you're looking to buy, and you're looking to buy when price breaks above the green line. It's either trading above it or closes above it, okay? Then you look for the strike price below of the day or the recent low, and then you want to make sure you're spending only $65 to $68 on that contract, because you want to make $32 to $35. So right here. Now, if price started in the red zone, you're looking for price to break the red line, okay? So like, again, like right here, the reason why you don't enter or sell here is because you're waiting for price to break the red line and close below it, like right here, or to be trading away from it on the going down, okay? So that's why. You could have had this trade right here and then this trade right here. So I mean, that was really good opportunities this week. But yeah. So let me know if you have any questions. But that was this week. The system is really profitable, and it's only $100. You know, so I mean, you can message me on Telegram. You can keep watching these videos. But if you're not taking action, then you're gonna miss out. Anyway, thanks for watching the video, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.